Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna make a paper lantern. So this is one way you can make a paper lantern, and this is how it looks. And what you need is a square sheet of paper. So I have my one, it's printed and it has designs on it. But you can also get coloring pencils and color, and yeah. So what you're gonna do is just put it straight like that, and then you're gonna fold it in half. Like that, you're gonna fold it in half, and then you're gonna open it again, and you're gonna get this side and fold it to the middle. And then you're gonna do that again, but with the other side. Okay, now you're gonna fold the corners in, but you have to leave a gap, so like a gap in between them. So I'm folding mine, and you can see like a gap, and then you're gonna do the bottom. Okay, so now that I've done these two sides, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold these parts backwards to the back. So I'm just gonna fold it, and then the other side. Now you're gonna flip it over so you can just see like a flat sheet, and then you're gonna fold the corners again and still leave a gap just like we done before. Okay, now to the other side. Okay, so I'm just on the last one. Now that it looks like that, we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna put our finger here and just push that up. And then do the same with the other side. And that's how you make a paper lantern. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!